Hey, it's me again from Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've got a nice little demo here. I wanted to show you. We've really taken apart some amazing machines here. This is one of the ones that we've done a million times, a hardinge precision engine lathe. So we'll go ahead over here, let you take a look at the insides of a hardinge. First, I wanted to say we've got all these parts kind of laid out in different ways. We'll show you a little bit. Here's how your compound, your cross slide. This is the nut right there. They always say they got to tighten the nut. That's going to tighten it and allow for your adjustment here. Cross slide travel. When you put them down, they're going to push this spring in, which releases or opens the pressure, allowing for the clamping to work on the side there for threading and for the feeds. Here's your feed motor. Of course, all your feed speeds will be set up there. Here's some of the parts of this beautiful hardinge. This is part of the cross top. You can take a look at it. You can see everything here at Sterling Machinery Exchange. We do go through these machines. Every machine gets a little bit of a different treatment depending on what it needs. This particular hardinge had a few different problems. Needed some adjustment in the cross, make it a little more smooth, make sure the clutch is actuating properly. We take a look at all the gears, make sure that all the gears are in good condition. We also have a little bit of noise on the head. Here's our gibs. These are going to be put in to the side there. That's what allows the more adjustment. Here's our tailstock. This part here, this part of the tailstock goes inside. And that's where you'd have your crank at the other end. You crank on that, it's going to move your tailstock in and out. So we'll check on that, make sure all the threads are really working okay on there. There's no gouging or scoring. Looks to be in good condition. Again, we said there was a few different little issues. We took off the collet closer. Take a look at the back here. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Try to get a light in there. Take a look at all the gears again. Everything looks good in there. It needs to just be cleaned up a little bit, re-greased. And last but not least, we've got our brake right there. Always have to adjust these, make sure they're stopping on a dime. Give you all the right control that you need. You can see the inside there. Again, everything's been gone through on this machine. We're checking out everything that needs to be checked out. Let us know if this is the right type of machine you're looking for. If you have one for sale, give us a call at 626-444-0311. Let's take a look. We can walk over here. Just take a look at some of our other lathes in stock. Supertech, Webb, Victor, Hardinge, Ganesh, Morisiki, Monarch, Victor, LeBlond, Wash-On, Tuda, just about every brand you can come up with. Most of these are used machinery, but of course we do carry over 70 lines of new machinery as well, all over the United States. So whatever you're looking for, just give us an idea of what size, what capacities you're going to be doing, and we'll make sure to find the right manufacturer and the right machine for you. Again, give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. And we're always looking for your machinery to buy, sell, or trade, so make sure to give us a call. Thank you.